In the Netherlands, approximately 120,000 people have to cope with heart failure because cardiac muscles no longer function properly or die following a heart attack. This leads to fatigue and shortness of breath, and approximately half of them die within 3 years after diagnosis. Researchers from the LUST project are working on a method to help the heart recover better after a heart attack and thereby promote the heart function. A heart attack disrupts the balance of small strands of genetic material called microRNAs inside the cardiac muscle cells. Upon injury, many microRNAs are differently expressed. That affects the cardiac muscle, and thereby the proper functioning of the heart muscle deteriorates. Researchers want to repair the damaged heart tissue using little inhibitors made of small strands of genetic material, complementary to the miRNA sequence. We want to release the inhibitors at the exact site of the heart damage, and therefore they are packed and delivered in nanospheres. For this purpose, we have developed 2 methods. In the first method, the inhibitors are associated with clinical used contrast agents. This mixture of contrast agent and miRNA inhibitors is injected into a blood vessel in the heart. Upon exposure to ultrasound, the gas bubble will burst using vibrations at the site of the heart attack, causing the nanospheres and inhibitors to be released at exactly the right place. The second method has the same objective, but uses proteins on the surface of the nanosphere that serve as small compasses. When these are injected into the blood vessel in the heart, they bind to the proteins at the site of the ischemic heart. Both methods release these inhibitors at the right place. The inhibitors bind to the specific microRNAs, blocking their function, thereby restoring the balance in these cells and facilitating correct muscle functioning. Now the heart can become healthy again. The aim of the LUST project is to help people live longer and have fewer problems following a heart attack.